wiggle this thing off here.
Oh, no, what, out?
Punch it on here. And usually, punches ain't this long, but that'll work. Pull these pins out.
Yeah.
Definitely need some new grease.
Yeah.
Whoa.
There you go.
About to grease these things.
Anna, what did you do? Yeah. What did you do?
Spread it on there. Yeah, don't lose those. We need those, Easton.
Yeah.
Pretty decent amount on there. Not too much though.
Yeah.
Good. Good, good, good. Slide that back on in there. Working good now. Now this one, Easton. Wow. Eesh. Dirty.
Yeah.
Yucky. Bless you.
Yeah.
Alright. Get some of this.
Yeah.
Put that one back in there.
Yeah.
Looks good. Now we gotta compress the piston.
Yeah. Okay.
We gotta compress the piston, so we gotta take. Well, here, let's take these off first. There's that new one. Be careful with this one.
Yeah.
New AC Delcos, my favorite. I love AC Delco. Got our new clips here. Now these are always different.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get two on one side, sometimes you get one on each. Sometimes they're all the same. So in this case, they look all, oh no, see? So yeah, we got a set per side. So usually the metal's gonna go on the back.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Take that old one off.
Okay.
Not too much. Let's look at this one. Hold on, Easton.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use this set. We'll put that to the side. Alright. Yeah. Take this out. Take these off.
Yeah, you will.
Take these off.
You will.
Gotta clean her up.
Oh, but I like it. This is good. Mimi. Go. Mimi. Mimi. Mimi.
Oh, you wanna do something too? Okay. Clean her up. Just don't get the plastic right here. Only the metal, Easton.
Yeah. Mimi. Mimi.
Like this.
Mimi.
Oh, you want the little one?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get it real quick.
Yeah.
Get over here. Just these grooves. That's why we got the glasses on, because dust can get in your eyes.
Yeah.
Now we gotta do the top.
There you go.
I need to get some. Get up under there.
What do you think?
Yeah, we just getting some of this rust off.
Yeah, I know people feel ugly.
It's really just brass.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Get up under here. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Now we got it greased. Put our clips in.
Oh, no, dude.
We gotta make sure they're all the same first. Hold on, let's look at them. Wait, yep, Easton is different.
Yeah?
It's different.
Yeah, no, dude.
One big and one small.
Yeah.
So one set of keys. Some big going on the bottom. Let's see this one. I'm just gonna move this one over a little bit. It's a good gap. Brakes. Brace up these corners. Just want the brakes to slide good. That's all. This is where our piston's gonna compress onto. Clean some of that excess off. It's a little bit much.
No, ready.
Put this back one on. A snug fit. Get the next one.
No.
Is it comfortable?
Huh?
Are you comfortable?
No.
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 Good.
Hmm?
You're supposed to be uncomfortable.
Huh?
That's how it is.
Yeah.
Working on cars.
Yeah.
All right. This one we just do the two little lines.
It's okay.
Slide this one in.
No, you take her.
Alrighty.
Yeah, ready.
I see.
Okay.
I could put these in, but I don't think I'm gonna waste my time with that. Almost. Almost there. We're about to go there right now. Just gotta clean these caps. Open up our valve. Alright. Time to compress the cylinder. Clean this up a little bit too. Alright, I'll just put a little blaster in here. That'll protect it, because these things tend to get rusty. Let's see. Nice, looking like a piston again.
Yeah.
Alright, back up, Easton.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean her off. Some of this excess dust. Not too dirty though.
Yeah.
Alright, now we need our compressing tool. So it's gonna be a regular oil compress. Going in. See, if it's not compressing easily like this,
Huh?
then there's a problem. But it's compressing just fine. So this is working just fine. Exactly how it's supposed to. This little one, get this groove up in here. This extra dust.
Hmm?
Alright, I'm gonna put our cap back on. Put our brake back on. Make sure these line up. Just like that. Get the bolts. Put the bolts on.
No.
Tight here. Put this one on. Pretty good. Takes our seconds on it. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten it just a tiny bit.
Wait.
Alright, I felt it move.
What do you do?
It's recording, Easton.
Why?
So I can put it on YouTube.
Oh.
There we go. It's cracked open. That's it, Easton. I still need your help. We're not done. Okay, I'm gonna put it on there. Now we gotta get our tube. Put our tube on there. A little bitty one. Real thin. Alright, that's pretty good. Wrap this around. Make sure our cap's on. Alright. Now. Calm down, Easton. Alright. Come over here. And turn around that way. Alright, fine, you go that way. But I'm gonna take the majority of this fluid out here. Some no fluid in here. Alright. Now time for this back and forth. I'm gonna open this up. Now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna start pumping. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Where do you think go?
12, 13, 14, 15. Close it off. Get the fluid. It's empty. Crack it open again. Alright. Do one more. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Push. Couple more pumps, Easton. Get up in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Good.
Oh.
Close her off.
No.
Now we're gonna take this off. Let the drain through. Don't touch it. It's yucky. We're done.
Yeah.
That's it. That's how you change and flush the brakes. Thanks for watching.
Huh?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.